Hello everybody, I hope you're enjoying today. The sun's trying to come out at last. With the looks of it, it's trying its utter best. Whether it will make an appearance is yet to be seen, but hopefully it does for all those who are out and about, especially here in England and the UK. Now, so I am going to do a little talk with you as promised. I know it's the afternoon, so I am quite late today, but this may be helpful. About the talk is going to be about budgie branches. Now, budgie branches, you put them in the cage, you can get all types of different branches. Now I have got one to show you what Sammy actually uses this in her playpen. Hopefully she lets me show you. 1 second. Right. Now it is this one. Needs a bit of a wash with the looks of it. But it is this one. Now, this one's quite a good one. I got it as part of a set. It came with a toy set. I can't remember which toys were in it, but remember in one of my previous videos I said I went a bit mad with the toys when we first got our Sammy. She's still got toys she's not played with yet, and we've had her over 2.5 years, but this did come part of a set. Now with this, I'll bring it a little bit. It's quite a thick log. You can put it in a cage, but I decided not to with this one because I already had about 7 other branches. No word of a lie. And if you look, she has been biting this with her beak. Now, if you can see, yeah, it's all discoloured here because it's all been chewed away. Now, birds with these logs, they do chew them. It's a good part to keep the beak trimmed and the nails trimmed as well. Now, this is quite, I suppose, I'd say quite a cheap make. Now, there are more expensive logs. Now, these ones are quite cheap, but the ones in the cage, there you go, Sammy, if you want it back. Let me show you. Pull this curtain back so the light doesn't get too much. Now, if you can see in a cage, she's got different logs. She's got 4, even 5 logs, including the one in the centre. But the one I want you to see, really, is at the side, and it's this one. Right, whether you can see, I'm better off putting this inside the cage than you can see properly. Now, it is this one. Right, if you can see, I mean, eventually these will have to be replaced. These ones. Now, there's 2 on each side. There's 1 on each side. And they keep the bill trimmed, which is the beak, and they're also very good to step on, and she can use these to file her nails, these logs. They are a bit more expensive than the log I've just showed you, because they are like a proper tree branch. So they are natural. They're a natural wood. So, and she is making use of them. I will have to get her some more of those. Also, the more different types of logs you get, the more better it is for Budgie's feet or bird's feet. Because, well, birds, I know they wrap the talons onto a branch, especially in the wild, on a branch. But who wants to be in that position all the time? They need flexibility and stability. Now, when I say this, they also like flat surfaces. Now, before I was watching our Sammy, and she was on her cuttlefish bone, just resting on there. Now they've got the floor as well. This is to keep the feet like that, just how we would, because they like to run around. They like the freedom, basically. Now you can get things for the cage, which I am considering, and they can you can put them in the corner of your cage, and they are, I've not got one to show you at present, but I am going to order one, and it's a flat surface for your Budgie to rest the feet on, so that it's still got that choice, basically, because once they're in the cage, all they've got is the branches. I know they've got the bottom of the cage too, but you know, it's just something else. Okay, well, I hope this was helpful. I hope it didn't go too much everywhere trying to show you the branches in the cage. Sammy's fine. She's at the moment, she's on the bottom there, and she's playing with her toys. So there she is. You see her? Yeah, she's lovely. Oh, she's on top of her trolley there. You see her? Yeah, she's lovely. Isn't she gorgeous? That little bird. I hope this was useful to you. And it's just another thing to make your bird more comfortable. Other tips and everything. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. I thank everybody who's subscribing to my channel, and I hope you enjoy the videos and content that I do for my channel. Please check out all my other videos, previous videos, and please enjoy the rest of your day. Hopefully the weather brightens up, and I shall see you again, hopefully tomorrow, all being well. Okay, bye.